Hi, my name is Yeap. I'm the Group CEO of YGL Convergence Berhad. YGL is a software company having our own research and development capability. With our HQ actually in Penang, we program enterprise software that is compatible to Industry 4.0, mainly for our customers in the manufacturing sectors. YGL started off from a public accounting firm. The public accounting firm was established in 1957. We started off as an IT arm of the public accounting firm since 1993. We started off the company as a $2 company. We got listed in 2005 until today. Yeah, and the company now is worth about 50 million. Since we started until now, growing from a company where a lot of things are done by the owner himself, and facing a market where we are trying to produce a Malaysian product, and people are having a buying prestige from international brand. You know, we have grown a long way. Yeah, and as and when we grow the company, we realize that things cannot be done by one person. We need a team. How do we have a team of people that work on the same directions, at the same time trying to do our best for the customer and gain their respect, and to move up, serving more and more difficult customers, bigger and bigger customers. There are many challenges along the way, and I believe most of the businesses would have gone through the same process. I like to believe that the wisdoms are actually accumulated from many failures that we made, in our lives. And today I'm still learning. At the age of 50 over, I'm still learning to how do we add value to our staff. How do we have a committed team? How do we add value to our customers? How do we gain value customers? And on a bigger aspect, how do we value our country and how we value our world? A good leader is not forced. A good leader is dependent on how much help that the leader can render and add value to the staff. We value professionalism, capability, but more than that, we value the character of this person, whether this person acquire the character to be a good person. There are three things that young people should not do. Be very proud of yourself. Do not listen to others, thinking that you're right all the time, because that is going to stop you from learning new things and improve on yourself. Laziness will not take anybody anywhere. The world do not owe anybody a living. Young people have to learn to work hard so that they can learn enough. I've traveled many places in the world. To me, Penang is the best place in the world. There's a reason why YGL put our research and development center in Penang. Penang is a very balanced place. It has a good culture, tradition, very friendly people, and not short of technological advances. You can work hard in Penang and you can equally relax in Penang.